Are you headed out to get water?
Yes, I am, because in the middle of the winter, if the marina has their water shut off, you're going to have to haul it. But these water jugs are heavy at 40-something pounds a piece. It's actually hard on my back, especially dumping them into the tank. So today, I'm going to show you the best tool I have found for helping eliminate that problem. Boat did okay during that storm, but those solar panels were a little floppy on your bimini. First tip for saving your back is to invest in a wagon. This one belongs to the marina, but we own a folding wagon that we carry on board with us. It's actually been really busy at the marina. Everybody's coming over to winterize their boats because the temperature is supposed to hit the 20s for the next like 4 days. If the water is turned off at your marina for the winter, first thing to do is to check with the marina, see if they have a spigot somewhere that is actually available to be used to fill up water. If not, places that we have gotten water in the past is sometimes you can run into a boat neighbor in the marina that has an actual house, and they will let you get water from their house. We have got water at corner markets before. Places where we purchase stuff, we'll ask sometimes if they have a spigot, and oftentimes they'll let us fill up. Another really good place is like city parks. A lot of the city parks will have water spigots out that you can use. One cautionary tale though, if you're gonna get water from a spigot at a boat ramp, you wanna make sure that it's potable water, because sometimes those fish cleaning waters are not actually good drinking water. Another really common place people get water is fuel docks. Most of your fuel docks will have fresh water. So those are a few of the places that we have found on a fairly consistent basis to get water. In this situation here, the harbor master actually has a house, and so he has allowed us to go over to his house to get water from there. So this little siphon hose is an excellent tool for transferring liquids like this. So you can use it for water, for your water tank. You could also use one to do your fuel and diesel fuel, but if you do, make sure you mark it so that you don't use it for water ever again. But they are fantastic little tools that they just siphon it right out. Sweet. All right, so that fills that tank up. So we have 200 gallons of water we can put on this boat if we want to, and this tank is full, so I got to switch it over to the other tank. Alright, so I want you to make sure that your O-ring is in good condition, because you don't want to get seawater inside your freshwater tank. So this siphon hose has a little ball bearing in there that when you jiggle it, it helps you create the siphon without going that kind of a thing, which would really be nasty with fuel. You jiggle 5 or 6 times, and away you go. You might ask, you have a water maker, why not just make the water in the marina where you're at? This is a reasonably clean marina as far as boats go, because there isn't very many of them. But in a normal marina, you're going to have all the oil and, gray water residue coming out of the boat, so that's kind of gross. But this water also is just really kind of dirty. It has a lot of the tannins in it from being in the ICW, and it would just, the filters on the water maker would plug up fairly quickly, and there's no sense for me to cycle filters out every time I make water. So I'm just going to haul it. And apparently, that one's full too. We're going to put a link in the description below this video of where you can get one of these. I would get 2.
Thanks for watching to the end. We've put together a Spoondrifter guide with tips we've used for finding clean water while cruising. It's got links to the products that we like and use that will help your sailing experience be a little easier. You can download it by clicking the link in the description of this video.